Welcome to the in front of me Oppo Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and here just go to the display and brightness. Now just scroll down with your finger, and here you will see the wallpapers. Tap there, and as can you see, you can choose your new wallpaper from your device photos, also from the statistical live wallpapers. For example, we'll go in with this one, and now just for example I'll choose this. Also you can select by this way one from the wallpapers and just tap here to apply. And for example we want to change the lock screen wallpaper, so tap there, and now we'll check. Okay, I make this to the regular main screen. For example, we'll check this one and just tap here to the lock screen, and now we'll check. Yes, can you see right now our lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.